So, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel, and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new to this channel, then on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics that can take your career from wherever it is in the software industry to an epic level of success. So, if you want to be successful in your career, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let us begin. Karthik Mod, I learned Java and started Android development. Currently, I'm working in a company as junior Android developer. So, what according to you should be the best career path? See, one thing is knowing a programming language, okay? And everybody on your team, if you are in a project, let's say you are in an Android project which has 5 people, everybody on your team knows almost similar stuff as far as programming language is concerned. Okay, so when you want to grow, you have to learn something additional to the programming language. One is you can learn the domain on which you are building your application. So if you are building an application for retail domain, then you start understanding the business framework of retail domain. Okay, that is an additional specialized knowledge addition to Java. Okay, you are doing Android development, so you can also see what is it required to build application on maybe iPhone or those kind of applications. Okay, what is the difference between an Android application and an iPhone application? Where does the difference come in? Okay, so whenever you start doing this specialization, then your career will start growing, and your career will grow when whatever project is given to you, so whatever task is given to you, you are able to complete that task within the given time efficiently and productively. That is the most important thing. See, once the company hires you, your company is paying you to do the work in that company. So whatever project the company has, whatever task your manager has laid out for you, if you can do that task really well, then automatically your manager will think about your promotion. Okay, let's say you don't do the task that is given to you, you keep learning more, but it is not going to help your career because you're not able to use your knowledge to complete the projects which are in front of you. Okay, so Kratik Mod, you have to make sure that you complete each and every task which is given to you. When should I start learning Kotlin? I also have to become a full stack developer. See, Kratik, as I told you, that learning is fine, but unless you are able to apply your learning into building applications, okay, in the company where you are working, your growth will not happen. Okay, when you go from one company to other company, they will ask about the projects you have done in the programming languages that you know. They are not going to ask you what else. Okay, you may know 10 different things, but if you have not done a single project in those 10 different things, then that knowledge is still not tested, that knowledge is not yet proven. Okay, so what I would suggest is make sure that you are first you are making a attempt to work on the project which is in your hand. Even if you are a fresher, first find a job where you can start applying your existing knowledge, and then you can start growing within that company, and then you will get a direction on what other things you need to learn. For example, if your project needs Spring Framework, you learn Spring Framework. If your project needs Kotlin, then you learn Kotlin. Whatever your project needs, you can start learning those things. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. I will be linking my program, How to Become A Players. If you are already in a job and if you are thinking of growing in your job, then this How to Become A Players will help you. Next live will be on Thursday at 9:05, and see you in the next live.